What we're making tonight is my version of a traditional casserole. I've got some diced Wagyu here, some bacon that I've smoked, some really fatty bacon I did myself, a few herbs and spices, nothing you don't have in the cupboard. I don't usually use packet stock, but in this case we're camping, so any port in a storm. And the secret is I've got a bag of flour here, seasoned. So to this seasoned flour I'm going to add some herbs, a bit of cumin, pepper. That's it. Put the meat in, shake it up, saute it off in your hot pan, and Bob's your uncle. Then we'll throw it all together. A bottle of good red wine, a bit of stock, and you can't beat it. So I've got some bacon there to go in, and some garlic. Thank you. Got my meat. Just shake the flour off. The flour does a couple of things. It browns it really well and also thickens your stew, which is I think it's pretty important. Have a nice thick stew.
Yeah, you don't want a runny one.
I don't want a runny stew. These cast iron pots, they hold the heat so well. I've taken off the heat. It's still searing beautifully. Thanks. I've got the last one meat here, so that can go in. Like everything, this is so simple. It's a set and forget. It's so easy. That's why I love it. That's why I love cooking. We're trying to build a flavour base. So celery, some capsicum, that'll dissolve. I'll leave the carrots for last. Some mushrooms. All these things cook down, they get really rich and really luscious. So
that doesn't matter the order?
No, mate, this is camp cooking. Probably would if you're a chef. But... So we've got a bit of time. I'll save the carrots for the end. I'll throw them in within when they've got probably an hour before we're ready, so they're not overly cooked. The next step with this is a beef stock. So 100% real stock apparently. I'm not convinced. So yeah, it'll take the whole container of that. Yeah. Got a bit of chopped tomatoes as well.
Yep.
That just makes it richer, and you know, everyone loves tomatoes.
Yeah, that's it.
So, chopped tomatoes, bit of sand. We love
bit of
sand.
Bit of gradient.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
A little bit of crunch.
Côte de Rhône, French. You can only use French in casseroles. It's rubbish. I only paid $12 a bottle, but you can still drink it. So probably half a bottle of that, and we'll drink the rest in a minute.
Whilst Andrew's stew is simmering away, we're going to cut up our tomatoes. We're just going to dice them and some avo as well.
Yeah, we like the baked potato because it's easy on the campfire.
And it's filling.
Yeah, and it's filling, and it's set and forget like Andrew's stew. And it's almost like a Mexican salsa on top.
Nick loves his salsa, so we do have salsa to go with it.
With the avocado and sour cream and the little bacon on top. Everyone loves bacon.
Fatal mistake with camp oven cooking is too much heat. So there's definitely too much heat here. So I'm going to transfer it over.
Want that lid on?
Yeah, we'll whack the lid on. We're going to get a couple of shovels of coal, put some underneath, some on top. Forget about it for an hour and a half, then we'll check it.
Sun's going down, a glass of red. This is what it's all about.